Kia ora friends, you are with Nicole from Double the Fun. Today I have got this really fun alphabet puzzle in front of me. Guess what? All of the letters have a surprise underneath. Should we go through them and have a look? Okay, let's go. This is the letter A. What's under the letter A? It's an apple. Can you say apple? Well done. This is the letter B. Oh, what's under the letter B? It's a basket. Can you say basket? Basket. Well done. This is the letter C. What is under the C? Oh, some carrots. 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 Well done. Ooh, what's hiding under the D? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a duck. Hello, duck. Can you say duck? Duck. Well done. This is the letter E. What's under the letter E? Peekaboo! Oh, it's an egg. Egg. Well done. This is the letter F. What's hiding? Peekaboo! It's a fish. Hello, fish. Fish. This is a G. What's hiding? Some grapes. Yummy. Grapes. Ooh, this is an H. What's hiding? Oh, it's a house. House. Oh, this is the letter I. What's hiding under the I? An insect. Insect. Well done. This is the letter J. What's hiding? It's a jumping rope. Jump. Jumping rope. This is the letter K. Oh, what's hiding? It's a key. Key. This is the letter L. What's hiding? It's some leaves. Oh, leaf. This is the letter M. What's hiding? It's a moon. Hello, moon. Moon. This is the letter N. N is my favourite letter. N. What's hiding? It's a nest. Nest. Well done. Oh, what's hiding under the O? Let's have a look. It's an octopus. Wow. Can you say octopus? Octopus. Well done. This is the letter P. Shall we have a look? It's a pear. Can you say pear? Pear. Pear. Well done. This is the letter Q. What's hiding? It's a quail. Quail. Well done. Oh, what's hiding under the R? Let's have a look. It's a ring. Can you say R? Ring. Well done. Oh, this is the letter S. What's hiding under the S? It's a sock. That's a bit funny. S, sock. Oh, this is the letter T. What's hiding? It's a tie. Can you say T, tie? Well done. This is the letter U. U makes an sound. What's hiding? It's an umbrella. Umbrella. Well done. Oh, this is the letter V. What's hiding? It's a vine. V, vine, vine. Well done. This is the letter W. W makes a W sound. What's hiding? It's a whale. W, whale. Well done. This is an X. What's hiding? An X-ray. Well done. Can you say X-ray? This is a Y. Y makes a Y sound. What's hiding? It's a ball of yarn. Oh, I wonder if we can sew something with the yarn. Ooh. This is the letter Z. What's hiding? It's a zip. Can you say zip? Well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've had so much fun going through all of the letters of the alphabet. Make sure you join us again soon. Thank you, friends. Have a good day. Ka kite.